Hey guys, welcome back to Voltage Learning. In today's problem, we have a combination capacitor circuit with both series and parallel combinations of the capacitors, and the entire network is powered by a 5-volt battery. Our problem is to find the equivalent capacitance of the entire circuit. So while we've looked at similar problems for resistors, capacitors are going to follow similar rules that we encountered for series and parallel resistors. We can solve this problem pretty quickly in 3 simple steps. Step 1, let's first write the rule for series and parallel capacitors. When it comes to series capacitors, we always use the reciprocal rule, just like how we did for parallel resistors. Vice versa, when it comes to parallel capacitors, we simply add those just like how we add series resistors. It's very interesting because the rules for capacitors are actually exactly flipped from the rules for resistors. In step 2, let's apply the rules that we discussed in step number 1. There's a clear series combination in the resistor. The 500 microfarad and the 100 microfarad are in series. Therefore, we can apply a reciprocal equation. 1 over the equivalent capacitance equals 1 over 500 plus 1 over 100 is equal to 0.012. Now remember, we still have to take the reciprocal of this value, meaning that the equivalent capacitance is 83.33 microfarads after we plug it into our calculator. Now finally, all we need to do is take that series combination and add the 2 final resistors, the 100 microfarad and the 200 microfarad. Since these are in parallel, we simply add these as if they were series resistors. Therefore, 83.33 plus 100 plus 200 gives us our final value of equivalent capacitance is 383.33 microfarads, which is our final answer. So the main thing that we've learned in this question is that the rules for equivalent capacitors and resistors is going to be flipped. The methodology for using series resistors is the same as using parallel capacitors, and the methodology for calculating parallel resistors is the same as series capacitors. So if you want to see more circuits questions or go through more technical interview prep, visit us at voltagelearning.com and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, we'll see you guys later.